Hi, I'm Brian Parks from Belimo Air Controls. Today, I'm with Steve Lopes from Product Management, and he's going to talk about how to install a resilient seat butterfly valve.
For additional guidance, Belimo recommends reviewing the installation instructions, which we'll link to in the description below. Now, before you mount your valve, the first thing you need to do is make sure that your pipe system is clean and free of any debris. You'll also want to visually inspect the valve seat surface to make sure that it's clean with no signs of damage. And now you're ready to start mounting. You want to make sure that your valve is centered between both flanges, and then we're going to hand tighten all of our bolts. Prior to fully tightening your bolts, you'll want to cycle the valve either manually or electronically to make sure that it clears the piping on the inside. Once you've confirmed free and unobstructed disc movement, you'll want to install the valve with the disc slightly open about 15 to 20 degrees. To ensure uniform compression, you should tighten the bolts with multiple passes using an opposing star pattern. For that, you'll want to use a calibrated torque wrench. You'll want to make 3 passes with your torque wrench across all these bolts. The first pass will be at 30% of the max rated torque. Your second pass will be at 60% of your full rated torque. And then your third and final pass will be 100% the rated torque. This tightening sequence is illustrated in the installation instructions shipped with every Belimo butterfly valve. They're also available in PDF format, which you can find on our website at www.belimo.com. And we've included a link down below in the description. And do not over-tighten bolts, as liner damage, liner shifting, or stripping may occur. Before fully closing or opening your valve, operate it a few times to ensure smooth movement and proper functioning. At this stage, you'll want to check for any leaks around the valve and any connections. If leaks are detected, the valve may need to be repositioned or replaced. Please see the installation instructions to learn about measures you can take to ensure that you get the longevity you'd expect from the Belimo butterfly valve series, such as dynamic torque loading, orientation to elbows and reducers, and dead-end service notes. In addition, you'll find notes on welding considerations, Victaulic flange adapter recommendations, periodic cycling, safety precautions, and storage considerations. Remember that this is a general guideline, and the specific steps might vary based on the type and size of the butterfly valve, as well as the requirements of your particular application. Be sure to review the installation documentation and consider seeking professional assistance, especially for larger or more complex installations.
Hey Steve, thanks for that great tutorial. If you have any questions, please call Belimo Technical Support at 1-800-543-9038. Remember to subscribe to the Belimo YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.